Hi, I'm Mike. Clear communication is the main objective of any meeting. I'm here to tell you about a wireless speakerphone meets these demands with high-quality audio. After turning the A6 speakerphone unit on, to connect to the device, simply insert the dongle into your laptop or desktop computer.
Hi, Mike.
Hi, Nick. For small meetings like this, it takes only one USB dongle and one A6 speakerphone unit. With 2 units, you get full audio coverage of smaller conference rooms. But it's not enough just to have good audio. For medium-sized conference rooms, with 4 A6 speakerphone units, you can move freely around the space and still experience crystal clear audio. For the best results, microphones should be kept about 1.2 meters apart. Nick, I'm not very close to the mic right now. Did you catch what I just said?
Sure, you said 1.2 meters.
And for large conference rooms, with one M6 master unit, you can control 6 A6 speakerphone units to adjust the volume for any situation. Did you think this level of control would be too complicated? It has a simple one-and-done setup. When you see the signal light come on, that means the connection was successful. When speaking during a meeting, it's hard not to worry that if you're too far from the mic, that the reception won't be good. We specially designed a lavalier microphone for these situations. Problem solved. You'll have perfect reception even with your back turned to the A6 speakerphone unit. And you can move around freely with nothing in your hands. During larger meetings, we can use the A6 speakerphone sync feature to simultaneously control the volume on all devices. We can increase the volume, decrease the volume, and mute and unmute the speakers and microphones. There's also our special full space audio feature. This ensures the quality of reception and delivery in full surround sound. This is what it sounds like in mono mode.
Right. So what you're hearing now is audio from one A6 unit. But with 2 or more A6 units, you'll experience the audio in simulated stereo surround sound.
The mute control is the same for both the speaker and microphone. So no matter where you're speaking or listening from in the room, both parties will feel like they're having a natural face-to-face conversation. With iMage, you get superior audio quality for more effective communication.